What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. This is going to be a quick video on the differences between the iPhone 13 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So if you're going up for debate on which one you should get, hopefully I can provide some kind of insight on what might be the better option for you. Now, in no way, shape, or form is this is a versus, or I'm saying one phone is better than the other. If you're pretty tech savvy and you're already fluent in the phone game, this video is not for you. This is for the people who have no clue about these phones and who are planning to switch or upgrade. Without any further ado, feel free to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, hit that bell for notifications. If I'm providing any kind of content that might help you make a decision, like is always greatly appreciated. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Alright, when it comes to the price for the iPhone, it's $830 and up. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is $1,500 and up. As far as the RAM is 6 GB for the iPhone, 12 GB for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. The weight of the iPhone 13 is 6.14 ounces. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is 9.56 ounces. The storage for the iPhone ranges between 126, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. The Z Fold 3 is 256 and 512. Now the screen size for the iPhone is 6.1, 7.6 for the Z Fold 3. The pixel density for the iPhone is 460 ppi, and the Z Fold 3 is 374 ppi. The OS for the iPhone is obviously iOS, and the OS for the Z Fold 3 is Android. Now, as far as the brand, obviously the iPhone is with Apple, the Z Fold 3 is with Samsung. The body material for the iPhone is glass and aluminum, and that will be the same for the Z Fold 3. Both phones are 5G capable. The display for the iPhone is Retina with that OLED, and for the Z Fold 3 is AMOLED with the OLED as well. The camera for the iPhone is 12 megapixels, 5x zoom on that front camera, and it's 12 megapixels for the front and rear camera. For the Z Fold 3 is 10 megapixels for the front camera with a 10x zoom and 12 megapixels for the rear camera. As far as the IP rating for the iPhone, it's IP68 rating, and the Z Fold 3 is IPX8. So the Z Fold 3 is water resistant but not dust resistant. The iPhone is water and dust resistant. The battery for the iPhone is 4373 milliamps, and for the Z Fold 3 is 4400 milliamps. As far as the colors, the iPhone offers graphite, gold, silver, and Sierra blue, and the Z Fold 3 offers that phantom black, green, and silver. So if you're in the market for any of these phones, hopefully I provided a decent enough breakdown for you to kind of weigh your options. The iPhone originally starts off a lot cheaper than the Z Fold 3. Obviously the Z Fold 3 has that S Pen, but both phones have their pros and cons and different reasons for a consumer to buy those. But if you're in the market, let me know down in the comments which one you're thinking about getting, and hopefully this video provides you some kind of clarity or direction as far as providing you some kind of details when you're making that decision. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.